This video I'll be showing you how to get aimbot in Crunker.io. As you can see the enemies with the red, and the closer they get, the bigger their names get. As you can see, the aimbot does all the shooting for you, so you don't have to do it. To install this aimbot, you'll want to install an extension called TamperMonkey. You can just search for it on Google and then install it from the Chrome Web Store. And then the link in the description, there's a script, and you can copy and paste that code and install it on TamperMonkey. Using the dashboard, press the plus icon, and then highlight everything, then paste the code from the link in the description. Then save it, and then you'll see it right there, Crunker.io aimbot. Make sure it's enabled, and then you can go to Crunker.io, refresh it. And a thing might pop up, another tab. You can just close that out. Yeah, so this thing will pop up when you press play, but you can just close that out, and now it will be enabled. As you can see, it's working very well. You can get nice scores with this. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and just comment down below and like and subscribe, or dislike if you want.